In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Wix website URL. Changing your website URL can be crucial, especially when you're looking to rebrand or make your website address more intuitive and memorable for your audience. Let's delve into the steps to make this change swiftly and accurately. First, you need to go to the Wix Studio by navigating to the Wix website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see a list of all the sites you manage. This dashboard is your central hub for managing different aspects of your websites. It's essential to be familiar with this interface because it gives you quick access to different site settings. Next, from this list, choose the site for which you'd like to change the URL. It's a straightforward step, but crucial to ensure that you're modifying the correct website. After selecting the correct site from your list, you'll have to click on Select Site. This will bring up various options related to that site's settings and configurations. Now that you're in the specific site's dashboard, you'll need to type Rename in the search bar at the top. The search bar is an incredibly useful tool that helps you quickly navigate through the site's settings. By doing this, you're essentially telling the system that you want to change the site's name or address. Once you've done this, click on the option that says Rename Site. This will direct you to the settings where you can adjust your site's URL. At this point, you'll see a field labeled Site Address. This is where you'll enter your new desired URL. When choosing a new URL, try to keep it short, relevant, and easy to remember. This can greatly affect how easily people can find and return to your site. Also, make sure that your new URL aligns with your brand or website content to avoid any confusion for your audience. Finally, after entering your preferred URL, make sure to click Save. This step is crucial as it ensures all changes are updated and applied correctly. Once saved, your site will immediately adopt the new URL, so be sure you're entirely satisfied before finalizing the change, and that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully changed your Wix website URL. Remember, this process might require a bit of patience and attention to detail, but once you get the hang of it, it will become second nature. Sure. Stay tuned for more tutorials on optimizing your website and making the most out of your Wix tools.